everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Facebook display problem. So let's get started. If you are viewing Facebook in a web browser, then first thing you should try is to refresh the page using the reload button at the top of the browser window. If that doesn't work, close the browser tab and open Facebook in a new browser tab or window. Sometimes it's possible that the entire site might be down, or at least substantial parts of it. You can quickly find out the status of Facebook by searching for "Is Facebook down" in a web browser or checking Facebook status at Down Detector. If Facebook is down, then it will be okay after a few minutes later. If you still can't get Facebook to work and you are on a mobile device, you can try to update the app. And another option is uninstall the Facebook app entirely and then reinstall it from the App Store. Sometimes you can resolve an issue with Facebook by restarting your device. Restart your device. If it's still not working, then consider using Facebook Lite. You may be experiencing issues with the regular Facebook app if your internet connectivity speed is low. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.